All right, you know what to do. First couple of presses are just for me. All right, here we go. Like, dude's not even touching the edges of the paper. Like, that thing runs with those ports, man. Like, it just comes straight back. But that's awesome. Good shit. So yeah, now we got an idea of what we're chasing through this entire process, okay? A lot of bill drills. A lot of bill drills.